Top 5 gaming console that you might have forgotten or don't know. Number 5. Game Boy. Game Boy was first released in Japan on April 21, 1989 and in North America on July 31 the same year and in Europe on September 28, 1990. Game Boy was a Nintendo-based platform portable console. Compared to portable gaming today, which already have a built-in memory and can store multiple gaming, the Nintendo Game Boy, which came with a separate interchangeable cartridges which on the game is already preloaded. Game Boy was one of the first portable console on the early 90s, with a very successful reputation among people of different ages. Game Boy come with an GBP screen and a RAM of 8 KB internal SRAM which can be extended up to 32 KB. The followed next generation of the Game Boy release on March 21, 2001 known as the Game Boy Advance and followed by which we know today the Nintendo DS and Nintendo 3DS. Nintendo was known for these games as Super Mario Bros. And Pokémon Red, Green, Blue, Yellow. Number 4. Sega Genesis. The Sega Genesis, known as the Mega Drive in most regions outside of North America, is a 16-bit home video game console which was developed and sold by Sega Enterprises Limited. Sega first released the console as the Mega Drive in Japan in 1988, followed by a North American debut under the Genesis moniker in 1989. Sega sold over 30.75 million units worldwide. The Sega Genesis game with a progressive 320 x 224 NTSC or 320 x 240 PAL and a Motorola 68000 processor as a primary CPU and a Zilog Z80 as a secondary processor. The Sega was known to have an cartridge interchangeable. From my personal experience I have played that and it was one of the coolest things to spend time with. Sega Genesis was known for these games like Sonic the Hedgehog 2 and Mortal Kombat 2. Number 3. Game Brick. Game Brick, known as handheld electronic game, are very small portable devices for playing interactive electronic games, often miniaturized versions of video games. The controls, display and speakers are all part of a single unit. Rather than a general-purpose screen made up of a grid of small pixels, the handheld usually have custom displays designed to play one game. This simplicity means they can be made as small as a digital watch, and sometimes are. The visual output of these games can range from a few small light bulbs or LED lights to calculator-like alphanumerical screen. Work with AA batteries. This type of device was known for these games like Space Invaders and Space Shooter. The handheld don't have a unique brand, so it can be sell under different name and different design. Number 2. Xbox Original. Most people know the Xbox as for the Xbox One and Xbox 360, but there was another version of Xbox preceding these two. The Xbox is a home video game console and the first installment in the Xbox series of consoles manufactured by Microsoft. It was released on November 15, 2001, in North America, followed by Australia, Europe, and Japan in 2002. It was Microsoft's first foray into the gaming console market. The Xbox was graphically powerful compared to its rivals, featured a standard PC 733 MHz Intel Pentium 3 processor. It was also noted for its PC-like size and weight, and was the first console to feature a built-in hard disk. In November 2002, Microsoft launched Xbox Live, a fee-based online gaming service that enabled subscribers to download new content and connect with other players through a broadband connection. Xbox Live had support in the original console design through an integrated Ethernet port. Xbox was known for these games like Halo 2 and Need for Speed Underground. Number 1. PlayStation 1. The PlayStation 1 was originally created on December 3, 1994. This was one of the most powerful and successful gaming console around. The PlayStation is the first computer entertainment platform to ship 100 million units, which it had reached 9 years and 6 months after its initial launch. In 2000, a redesigned slim version called the PSONE was released. The PS1 came with a memory 2 MB RAM, 1 MB VRAM and a CPU, 32-bit RISC MIPS R3000A compatible MIPS R3051, 33.8688 MHz, with a resolution of 640 x 480. As we all know, the PlayStation 2, 3, and 4 is one of the most well-known. It was the successor of the PS1. The PS1 is considered to be scarce due to the discontinued since March 31, 2005. But it still can be played with an emulator with an Android phone. PS1 was known for these games like Tarzan, Crash Bandicoot, and Tekken. Anyway, thank you all. Thanks for watching, Mr. Bot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, Mr. Bot.